Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a antutu benchmark test in the Realme X2 Pro device, friends, after updating to the Realme UI. So you can see here, friends, the Realme X2 Pro has been recently got an update of Realme UI, friends. So I have updated to the Realme UI. So let's check, friends, whether the antutu benchmark score and performance got a little bit decreased or increased. So let's compare with the previous score. So the phone has a Snapdragon 855 processor, friends. So this is a antutu benchmark score which I did before updating to the Realme UI OS. So you can see the antutu benchmark version also 8.3.1. Right now I cannot update in the Play Store because it has been deleted from the Play Store, friends, antutu benchmark application. So you can see 4,64,000, friends, the benchmark. So before updating to the Realme UI. So what I'll do, I'll try to test it again. So let me take the screenshot right now. So I've taken the screenshot now, and again I can compare after doing the test. So let me try the test again, and again I'll be back, friends, once the test has been completed. And do check the links in description, friends, if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using currently here. So as you can see, friends, the antutu benchmark test has been completed in the Realme X2 Pro device, and we got a score around 4,87,000, friends, which is pretty good score, I think. So this is a previous score, friends, and this is a right now 4,87,000. So you can see the overall difference in terms of the increasing, I think CPU performance got increased, even the GPU also increased, friends, if you notice clearly. So you can see here, friends. So overall same thing I observed even in the Realme X devices, friends, where the antutu benchmark score has been increased a little bit. So before it used to be around 1,80,000 or 90,000, and after the Realme UI update it got around 2,20,000 of score, friends, in the antutu benchmark score in the Realme X device. And even in the Realme X2 Pro also you can see the same kind of difference in terms of the antutu benchmark score. And subscribe to my channel, friends, if you are interested to know how is the battery life and everything with the Realme X2 Pro device. Definitely I'll be trying to do in-depth battery backup review, friends, on the Realme X2 Pro after updating to the Realme UI. So if you're wondering how much the battery percentage got decreased after antutu benchmark, it's 3%, friends. Right now it's 97%. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check the live wallpaper link in description, friends. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.